Hey, what's going on, guys? The coding world here, and today we're going to be talking about Reclaim Hosting and GravCMS. Now, Reclaim Hosting is a form of having a website domain, getting website set up, and it's a content management system, if I can sum it up easily. So it's $30 a year, get one free domain, and best support you'll ever get in your life. It's used by a ton of different schools, universities, ideas. You can install your own CMS. It's got a bunch of background stuff. Kind of old. It uses this thing called it's right there, cPanel. And it's a great way to build a website and get it out there, and it's relatively cheap, and it's very easy to use. Now we'll get into GravCMS. GravCMS is a content management system, and it is a way of building a website, kind of like if you've ever used Google Sites, or what most people have used is WordPress. WordPress is like the world's largest CMS. Grav is a little smaller, but it's important to know how to use. So once you get your Reclaim Hosting set up, the way you get started is you go into your Reclaim Hosting, you'll click on the host client area. I'm not going to show it because it shows some special details that are a little spicy for most people. And then you want to go over to Application Browser. And then you want to come down here and you want to go to GravCMS. And you click Install. I already have one installed, but it's pretty simple. It says what do you want the domain to be, or what do you want the link to be. You set up an admin and password so you can edit your site. You come over here, and then it'll show up right here in your applications. Real fun thing from the 90s, early 2000s, the way you install this is through an Installatron. I think that's really funny. I don't know about you. And then you want to come over to these three sites here. The first one takes you to your website. When you first install it, you get this really basic, hello, welcome to Grav, installation successful. Gives you a basic thing. You get a little thing that teaches you how to use it a little bit. I'll get into that in a little bit. And then I'm working on a little thing for another class, for another project. So I have these extra pages here, which one of them will be editing. So that's how you visit your site. Or you click on this one. Takes a little bit. I'll take you to your loading site. Now it'll ask you for a username and password that you set up when you install Grav. Just make sure it's something you're easy to remember, that you'll always know, and you'll be good to go. So you want to go to your pages site, and we're going to create a new page. We'll call this one page example. We'll have it in the root. Actually, we'll put it into the additional resources. Default template, sure. Now the first thing you're going to want to do when you load it is hit save. Weird thing of whatever the Grav is that you can't actually put files into your system until you've saved it. But the way GravCMS works is that it edits it in Markdown for you live. Markdown is a text editor, way of monitoring things. So let's say I have like, welcome to this page. And then I want to bold. And it does the two things for bold this. Whoa, wrong button. Also wrong button. Bold this. Or if you want to put in a link, it does this for you. Let's go to youtube.com. Let's load up my YouTube. Okay, thanks. If you hear munching in the background, it's my guinea pigs chewing on their water bottle. And let's go to the coding world. Sorry, I'm logged into like my YouTube. All right, look, there I am. And you come over here and you copy your link. And you boop, paste it in there, and just do the coding world. or you want to have a header tag. Let's say this only is a head2 header. Image. Oh, you find an image. So it does the markdown there live for you. If you know how to do markdown, you can put it in yourself. Like, I typed that in and it works. And then you can like preview it live, see what it's looking like, headers, bolds, the coding world. Hey, cancel, I don't want to leave this site. If I open a new tab, there we go, it's my YouTube. That's the basics of GravCMS, and I'll delete this for now because I don't need it. And one of the fun things about GravCMS is that it is flat file based, so you can literally go into your, when you're on the Reclaim hosting site, you come over here, you go to your cPanel thing, and you go to where is it? Static? Grav. There you go. You go to Grav, User, Pages. Here you can see all the pages, and they're here in Markdown. You can change the file name. If you have a way to edit Markdown, you can go and write it in Markdown in there. You can just drag in your own files if you know what you're doing. So that's pretty the cool thing about Grav, is that's file that is like that, and it's not database based. It's based on your file system. Overall, it's the basics of GravCMS, how to create a page, and what is Reclaim hosting. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I can't wait to see you in the next one.